Students, in this section, in this discussion, we will study how to divide a decimal number with a decimal number or with a whole number. So first we will take example when a decimal number is divided with a whole number. Two processes are there, okay, for both the cases. If one is cancellation method and another is traditional method. And what is cancellation method? I am repeating you. Just write, I am taking this example, okay, 4.2 divided by 3, okay. So this is our example, 4.2 divided by 3. You can write it in this manner also. So one decimal place is there. First of all, we have to remove this decimal place. And how it is possible? Just count the number of decimal places. 2 means number 2 is here and it is at one place. Decimal place is 1. Just multiply it by 10. If decimal places are 2, just multiply by the 100, okay, and so on. Upon 3, in order to balance, you have to also multiply the denominator with 10 also. Now it will be balanced here. 4.2, I'm erasing it. 4.2 multiplied by 10 upon 3 into 10 in order to take balance of it, okay. Next is here 4.2 will be converted into 42 upon 3 will be converted into 30. Now this is your actual which you are going to divide, okay. 42 upon 30, remember, 42 upon 30. Now taking help from the multiples and factor, okay, just remember this is 42 and this is 30, okay. Now taking from the very simple example, it is a multiple of 2. It can be divided with 2 because at last place it is, if it is 2, it is divisible by 2, and at last place it is 0, it is divisible by 2, 5, 10, okay. So first take an example, very simple example. This is the cancellation method. 42 can be divided as 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 21. It will be 21 and it is what? 2 1 ja 2. What is remaining here? 1. 2 5 ja 10, okay. Again 21 and 15. It is a multiple of 3 and it is also multiple of 3. Further making it very clear, 21 upon 15. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 51. Just remember only one thing, I am reminding you that you will take same number in order to divide. Same number means what? 3 is taken here, 3 is taken here. 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 51. You cannot take different numbers, okay. This is our 7 by 5, okay. 7 by 5. Now it is simple. 7 by 5. It is our simple example. So now you can divide it easily, okay. 5 divided 7 divided by 5, and what is that? 5 1 ja 5. 2 is here, okay. Remainder is less than the divisor, so you can take here point and 0 will be increased here. 5 4 ja 20 means what? Answer is 1.4. Our answer is 1.4, okay. Our answer is 1.4. So this is the cancellation method. Taking another example, which is a decimal number is divided by decimal number. 2.73 divided by 1.3. 2.73 divided by 1.3. 0.73 divided by 1.3. It is also not very difficult. So you can write it in fraction form. 2.73 upon 1.3. Here you have to take only one precaution. Just count the biggest decimal place number. Bigger decimal place is what? 2.73. 2 decimal places are here and 1 decimal places are here. So you will go according to bigger one, okay. And what it can be written? 2.73. You have to remove the decimal. Just multiply. How many decimal places are there? 2. So you will multiply with 100, and also in order to take balance 100 with the denominator, okay. So it is what? 273 divided by 13, 1.3 into 100, okay. I am taking step by step, okay. 1.3 is here, So in next step, the decimal place will be removed. So 273 divided by 13 into 10. Why 13 into 10? We have taken only this value and remove the 10 here. Okay, so this is what 273 divided by 10. Now you can easily take the cancellation. Now see how many 13. Okay, if it is coming in the 13 table of 13, you can just divide directly, or and when it is not coming, just take the help of traditional methods. So let's try. 13 2 ja 26, 13 2 ja 26. Okay, and 1 is remaining here, 1 will be placed here. Then 13 1 ja 13, it is the multiple of 13. 13 2 ja 26, 13 1 ja 13, it is 21 by 10. Now suppose one if at the denominator, if at the denominator 10 is there, okay, the final answer will be with one decimal point. 2.1 is our answer. Okay, if it is 100 here, means you will count each and every time the zeros. If any number is divided by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc., just count the number of zeros and put the decimal. Okay, after that place. After that place means the decimal places will be equal to the number of zeros. Number of zeros here, decimal place is 1, here number of zeros is 1. Okay, I am making you very clear. Suppose 21 upon 100 is there. Okay, so what will we do here? Just write 21. Okay, how many zeros are there? 2. You will place decimal after 2 places from the rightmost to the leftmost. Okay, 1 2, decimal will be placed here. In order to understand, just place a 0 here. Again, making it more clear, 21 by 1000, how many zeros are there? 3. So you will place the decimal after 3 places, 2 1. Okay, 1 2, no one number is here, so you can increase 0 here. Okay, you can increase 0 here and then put a decimal here, and for precaution put a 0 also here. So this is the way you can divide easily, and with in this type of case, dividing with 10, 100, 1000, and also in the case of multiplication I have make you understand. So I hope you will understand these topics, multiplication, division. Okay, so thanks for watching.